This is not a story about burgers. It's a story about systems, about what happens when efficiency becomes the product, when consistency becomes trust. Before McDonald's became a global symbol, it was a single restaurant in California. In the 1940s, two brothers noticed a pattern. Customers didn't want choice. They wanted speed. They didn't want atmosphere. They wanted food, fast, affordable, predictable. So they eliminated everything unnecessary. No waiters, no long menus, no delays. Just a few items prepared perfectly every time. The kitchen was redesigned, not like a restaurant, like a factory. Each worker had one task. Each movement was measured. Each second mattered. Burgers moved down the line. Fries were timed. Orders were delivered in moments. The result was revolutionary. Food became faster than conversation, cheaper than home cooking, more reliable than any diner. People returned not for flavor alone, but for certainty. The same meal, the same speed. Every visit. What the brothers built was not food. It was a process, and processes can scale. Then Ray Kroc walked in, a salesman who recognized something rare. Not a great restaurant, a perfect system. He understood that restaurants fail, but systems multiply. He partnered with the brothers, then began expanding aggressively. Franchises appeared across the country, each one identical, each one controlled, each one predictable. McDonald's wasn't growing organically, it was replicating like a machine. And machines grow fast. Within years, the golden arches were everywhere. Highways, suburbs, cities. Wherever people moved quickly, McDonald's followed. It didn't adapt to neighborhoods. Neighborhoods adapted to it. Because it delivered something modern life demanded. Speed, consistency, affordability. As McDonald's expanded, it reshaped daily eating. Lunch breaks shortened. Families stopped cooking every night. Road trips gained routine stops. Food became part of movement, not an event. By the 1960s, McDonald's was no longer a restaurant. It was infrastructure, a predictable point in every city. By the 1970s, it had become cultural. Children associated it with comfort. Adults associated it with convenience. Travelers associated it with familiarity. Then the system went global. Europe, Asia, Africa, South America. Different languages, same process, same menu structure, same experience. McDonald's proved something powerful. People everywhere trust consistency. Not surprise, not variety. Reliability, but scale brings scrutiny. As the world changed, so did expectations. Health concerns rose. Nutrition entered public debate. People asked harder questions about food. McDonald's adjusted. New ingredients, new options, clearer information. But never abandoned the core system, because speed and consistency were the foundation. McDonald's didn't dominate because it made the best food. It dominated because it removed friction. No waiting, no guessing, no uncertainty. It turned eating into a routine. And routines shape behavior. From a single kitchen in California to tens of thousands of locations worldwide, McDonald's didn't just change restaurants. It changed how societies eat, how time is valued, how convenience defines choice. Because the most powerful revolutions aren't loud, they're efficient. And once people adapt to efficiency, they never go back. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more journeys behind the world's greatest brands. Stories about systems, discipline, and ideas that quietly reshape everyday life. Because empires are not built on hype. They are built on processes.